Hello, today we will guide you through how to use FXCM Trading Station. In this walkthrough, we'll move through 4 core areas so you know where things live and how each section supports your trading workflow. The goal is to help you navigate with confidence and make sense of what you see on screen. Begin on the main workspace and choose Trading from the top navigation. The trading area is your live market cockpit. Here you typically find instruments with real-time bid and ask prices, spreads, daily change, and other key data points. It's a convenient place to track a focused watch list and quickly gauge what's moving. Columns are often customizable, so you can arrange information to match your process. For example, placing spread and net change up front if you monitor costs and momentum closely. If you follow many symbols, the search field makes it easy to jump straight to a pair or contract without scrolling through long lists. Next, head to Portfolio. This section centers on what you hold and how it's performing. You'll see open positions, working orders, and account metrics such as unrealized profit and loss, used and available margin, and equity. Checking this page frequently helps keep risk in check, especially during volatile sessions. Sorting by instrument or PL can highlight where exposure is concentrated. If the layout allows, collapsing panels you don't need and expanding the ones you review most creates a cleaner, faster read. Many platforms also offer net or gross position views so you can match the display to your trading style. Then, open Research. Think of this as your information hub. You'll typically find market commentary, strategy insights, and tools that put price moves into context. It's useful for preparing a daily plan, confirming which sessions or events may drive liquidity, and reading concise analysis to complement your own work. Research is most effective when it supports a predefined plan, helping refine timing and focus while avoiding impulsive decisions. Finally, go to Charts. This workspace is designed for technical analysis and trade planning. You can explore different time horizons, apply indicators, and annotate price with lines or zones to map entries, exits, and risk. Keeping charts clean, showing only tools you actively use, often improves clarity. If available, saving preferred layouts and themes helps each session start familiar and focused, whether you're scanning multiple instruments or drilling into a single setup. That's the tour. With trading portfolio, research, and charts at your fingertips, you can monitor markets, understand your exposure, and prepare with confidence. Thanks for watching, and trade responsibly.